going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video, daily vlogs. So today's video, we're actually outside on our rooftop that we have, and Kristina's gonna share with you something very important, very cool. So let's cut this intro. We'll be right back. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, if you're new to this channel, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We've been documenting it all on YouTube for 8, almost 9 months now. I know I always keep changing that, but we're super excited. We love it. It's been our passion these past couple months. We've seriously have found our calling in life, so we're gonna keep making videos, posting daily. We love putting content on YouTube daily. But that's enough about us, enough about a rant. We're gonna get into this video. It's actually about how to take pictures for Poshmark and eBay. We kind of did a little cool new outside setup, so we're gonna show you guys. Kristina's gonna talk about some benefits, so we hope you guys enjoy.
So you guys probably know we're usually not on the roof, but we decided to do a little new setup for Poshmark and eBay pictures because on Poshmark I've noticed that people like a lot more involved pictures. So being that it's like an outside background right now, and like we added this little piece of ribbon to our setup, which we'll
explain why we added the ribbon in a minute.
Yes, we'll get into that, but people really like more involved pictures, so we're gonna test it out on eBay. Usually people do the white background on eBay, so we'll test it out, but this is our setup.
Yeah, looks pretty nice. We got the mannequin hanging there.
So we have this like clothes rack that we have that's not really being utilized. It literally was just holding the mannequin and maybe a few jackets. So we set it up out here, and then we have this little piece of wire in here and ribbon hiding it to actually hold the mannequin in place.
Because the wind was making it sway too much, and we could not think of something that would look nice that could prevent that, and that's what Kristina thought of.
Yes, so we have a nice little setup right there.
You had to put some tape on the back to hold it all together.
It's not too legit.
There we go, some tape. But yeah, I mean, a perfect little setup. Mannequin doesn't sway anymore.
And then the pictures look super, super, super awesome because we have this lovely huge tree behind us. So.
I'll put a couple pictures up on the screen for you guys to see.
But it just makes the pictures, like I said, a lot more involved, which a lot of people on Poshmark like to see because it's more exciting to see than just like a white background. So we're really trying that out. We tried it out with our wood background, but I want to try something a little bit newer. So hopefully this goes well for us.
And we gotta enjoy the sun. Yes. We're cooped up all day on our computers.
Oh, it's so hot, I'm dying.
It's so nice to get out here sometimes because we have this awesome rooftop.
I know. We had so many flowers last year.
But they're all sadly dead.
But some came back. I had no idea, but some came back,
So pretty much that was our video. I know that was a very quick video, but we just wanted to show you guys that taking pictures, you just really got to keep switching up your setup. Maybe not keep switching it up, but it doesn't hurt to try new things.
Yes, and keep things fun. I enjoy being out in the sun, so if you like to be inside taking pictures, just make your inside background a little bit more exciting, you know, like spice up, put a plant or something. A lot of people like that, or I've seen people hang like flags in the background or even anything, you know. So like I said, I like to be outside. I want to do it out here, so this is a really nice background for me. Especially it matches the wood, I think, really nicely, so spice it up.
So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to smash that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions, or if you want to share how your picture setup is.
Or if you have a better tip for us, maybe for this.
Yeah, if you got any helpful tips, please let us know. We'd love to help. We'd love to hear your guys' insight and take your guys' tips because we are still learning as we go. But until tomorrow, till next video, peace guys. Have a great day or night. Go crush it. Okay, so as I was editing this video, realized that it was a shorter video. We didn't really talk too much. That was very beneficial. It's because we were outside and it was very windy and we were on my phone and we thought it was just good enough content. But like I said, after editing it, it wasn't the best. So we're gonna actually go through now and really show you what we take pictures of, how Kristina takes the pictures. And,
on a usual basis.
Yeah, on a usual basis. So like before, Kristina's gonna jump right into it. So enjoy this part 2 of this video.
Alright, so this might look familiar to you guys, obviously. This is where we usually take our pictures, so we usually have a mannequin set up on our little screw that holds it up here, which is really nice. We usually use our reflector umbrellas to just put a little bit more light onto the shirt, but with filming right now, it would just be a little too bright, so... And so for this, I'm going to be telling you guys what kind of shots and pictures that I get of the shirt or clothing item. So first, I just open up my camera app. Obviously, lately I've been going to the square option because it makes it really easy for Poshmark. So the first one I take is going to be of the full shirt. Boop, right there, perfect. And then the second one is going to be a little bit closer up of just the top half of the shirt. And then this is where it gets really annoying with this hanger screw situation with the mannequin because we have to take it off and flip it. Alright, so then this is where I lay it or hang it flat, which is really lame to me, but can't do anything about it. So I make sure it looks nice and even, and then the third angle that I'm going to take, or the third shot that I'm going to take, is going to be of the tag that's on the inside, so it might be a little hard, but you can just stretch it up a little bit, and then center it in the picture. And then if there's any graphics on the t-shirt next, or like a little logo or patch, is what I'll take a picture of next. So down here there's actually a little tiny embellishment of the American Eagle, so I will go ahead and take a picture of that just so they can see there's something else to the tank top, and then flip it around. And I usually don't get too crazy with the back because there is nothing usually on the backs of shirts. If there are, then I'll take a closer up picture of the graphic. So this is the full angle of the back shirt. Like I said, it looks so lame on the hanger, but that's all right. And then this is where I go through and I look inside for an extra tag, and this is usually where it has all the information that people don't know. But it has the material it's made out of, the style number, the country it was made in, so that's a really important tag. Even if you don't take a picture of it, get your information off of it when you're doing listings, because a lot of people will lack that. But after I do that, then the final check of the shirt is for any stains, rips, or tears. So luckily this one is a pretty decent shirt, so nothing too crazy there. There's no stains, rips, or tears. If anything, I could disclaim that there's a little bit of stitching missing right there in the seam, but that's not too important, and if anything, if the buyer asks if there's any flaws or anything, that would be marked, or I can mark it in the description as some of the seam is popping out. But that is how we take pictures of everything on our usual wood background. We were going to try to set the cart up in front of it, but unfortunately the cart was a little bit too big for this little area, so it didn't look as nice, but we really like the whole mannequin hanger setup for right now.
So that was officially our eBay pictures and Poshmark, I guess, set up how we do it. This lighting looks very crazy, but so we hope you guys enjoyed. We really wanted to come back at you and actually show you how we actually do it.
Yes.
So thank you for watching. We really appreciate you all. And here's a couple of the shout outs from last video. So if you want a shout out, comment shout out, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace, guys. Oh, go crush it.